Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Wyckoff, New Jersey, just completing a knee wall panel, center mounted door, and side stationary panel design. So this small panel here, there's a purpose for this small panel here, and of course it's to avert the baseboard, the heater here, and this little detail. So we've offset the door so that in no way, shape possible this door will touch this little detail here. All right, this door is approximately 26 inches wide, I believe we made. And it is not a double acting door because we are concerned with that little seat there. When we open the door, it will touch that. So instead of putting little bumpers there, we made this into a single acting door. All right. So if you have a situation where you do have a heater or some form of obstruction on the wall where you want the door, this would probably be the simplest way to get around that situation. It does reduce the door a bit depending on your configuration. You may or may not have a knee wall panel. Knee wall. So just consider this for your next project. In case you do have an obstruction on the side, we can accommodate and create a design to suit and function your shower space. All right, so if you need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, NJGlassDoors.com.